Hello everyone, welcome in. Anna Marie Palmerin from Just Stamp here. I am popping in today. I'm really excited. I am here to invite you to join me for some shopping this Thursday, right here on Facebook Live at 7 o'clock. I am inviting you to my semi-annual buy one, get one sale. So this is so exciting. This is my semi-annual sale, but I haven't had one in so long. I have accumulated so many items. I am ready to share and pass my used stamps, my used tools, my used supplies. Well, maybe not the supplies. I am ready for them to find a new home. So I am launching my buy one get one sale this Thursday night, 7 o'clock, right here on Facebook Live. Before we start that I wanted to tell you a little bit about how the sale is going to work. If you joined me last year around this time, you might recall it's pretty fun. What you are getting, you are going to be shopping my exclusive retired stamps and tools and supplies, and you're going to be able to get them at the list price, whatever they happen to be in the catalog. And you're going to get also some brand new catalog info. Now, if you see me looking down, it's because I am checking my notes. There's so much to share with you. I want to make sure I tell you everything. The most important thing I want you to know is that I have been so busy organizing all of my retired supplies, stamps, tools, you name it, whatever's in my crafts room. It has been an ordeal. I'm still working on it. There's over 150 stamp sets alone, and it's going to be a really great sale. I hope you join me. So these are retiring stamps or retired stamps. I'm going to tell you they are stamps that I have used in my business. So they are mostly gently, lovingly used. If you have ever joined me for a class or club, you know that I share my supplies with everyone. So the more inky they are, the more loved they were. I am gonna confess, there are some items, some stamps that have never kissed ink. So that means I bought them, maybe I got multiples of them, maybe I never got to them. So some of them are actually brand stamping new. You're gonna have access to those as well. If it's been used, it has been gently used. Everything is being sold as is. So if there's anything missing in the stamp set or in the die bundle, whatever it happens to be, I am going to let you know before you decide to purchase it. That way you know what's going on with it. So here's how the process works. I have been organizing everything. Every stamp set is going to have a number and a price, and it's going to be the catalog price. You're going to get to see, I'm going to get to share with you the stamp set. I'm going to give you a look at it so you can see what kind of condition it is. Again, if there's anything missing, I will let you know. Most of it, however, has been lovingly taken care of, so everything should be in perfect working condition. So once you see the item, if you think you want it and you're 100% sure you want it, you're going to get the chance to claim it. The first person who claims it, it is going to be theirs, so it's first come, first serve. You want to be 100% sure, however, because if you claim it, I expect you to purchase it. So talking about purchasing it and how you're going to pay, once you have done all your shopping, and while I'm launching the sale this Thursday night at 7, you will have time to continue shopping the sale. I'm going to photograph everything, put it up in the photo albums. It'll be on the site so you can keep checking back, scrolling through the photos to see if there's anything more you want. You will want to finish your shopping. As soon as you've finished, you can contact me, let me know you're done. And again, what you're gonna do, you're gonna keep track of your items. I'm gonna keep track of your items too. I'm gonna have a helper helping me out, telling me who's claimed what. Once you're ready, I will give you a host code. You're gonna turn around and go shopping online for new product, and that's essentially how you're gonna be paying for it. Now, I know some of us have a little bit of a challenge ordering online, so if you struggle at all, no worries. Contact me. I am more than happy to place your order for you. You just have to email me what you're going to want. Now I'll get the host code, all of that straightened out. You can pay by a credit card on file, or you can give me your credit card, whatever it takes. I'm here to help you place that order. So about the exclusive retired items that you purchase. Once you have placed your online order using the host code, you have to use that host code, and you have to confirm that Anna Marie Palmerin is the demonstrator. Once you have done that, I'm going to get ready to ship your items. You do have to pay for the shipping on your retired items, and mostly it's going to be packaged in a flat rate box, so it's either going to be about $8 or $15 depending on what you pick out from a retired stash. If it's about 5 photopolymer stamps or less, it's going to be about $8 to ship. If it's a little bit more, if there's a punch involved or paper items, whatever it happens to be, it'll go up to about $16. So someplace between $8 and $16 for your priority shipping to get you your exclusive retired items. I will invoice you for that amount. You can pay me by Venmo, you can pay me by Zelle, you can pay me by PayPal or credit card, however you want to pay, and I will get that retired merchandise to you. Your alternative is, if you're local and in town, you can come and pick it up at my porch at no charge. I will package everything up for you, make sure it's ready to go for you at no cost for you to pick up. So once again, and I'm checking my notes to make sure I have everything, I've explained everything that I've thought of. There's going to be more information that I'm going to be giving you during this sale. What you want to remember is whatever you have claimed is going to be held aside just for you, which means you have to turn around and place your online order no later than Saturday, July 3rd at 3 p.m. So for those of you who are local and who prefer to shop in person, I am going to open up the studio for you on Saturday between 11 and 3. You have the option to also come in and check out what hasn't yet been claimed. But all orders need to be placed by Saturday, July 3rd, to be guaranteed that they are set aside for you. If there is a non-payment on any of the items, it is going to be put back in the stash, put back up for sale. I'm going to have a second in-person shopping day on Sunday, July 11th. Everything, however, if it has been claimed, it needs to be paid for by July 3rd. So you want to make sure that you place your order by then. So when you're finished, you're going to shop online. I'll let you know what your shipping cost is for your retired items, and it'll be shipped out to you within a couple days. You have to give me a little bit of time to get organized. So you can keep track of what you're claiming. I'll keep track as well. You're going to shop with that hostess code. You're going to pay by shopping online. You're going to remember that I'm here to help. So if you need any help, if you struggle at all placing an order online, no worries, contact me. I'm going to do it for you. All right, so there's more. Beyond what I am tagging and pricing, I still have lots of merchandise and product. I tell you, my craft room is stuffed. I am going to be giving gifts with, I say with a $50 order. In fact, it's going to be with any order. Any person who places an order is going to get an extra. You're going to get a bonus. The more you spend, the more you're going to get, because I want to make sure that I'm stuffing that box full. I want you to enjoy some of the product. I want everything to go to a nice new home. You all know this is my business. While I would love to keep everything, and I do set some things aside that I'm going to keep in my craft room, I need to make way for the new merchandise, because I want to be sharing with you what's new all the time. And so I kind of have to weed out my product and make sure that I have space on my shelves for everything that's new and coming in. So I hope you can join me this Thursday night right here, Facebook, Just Stamp with Anna Marie. You don't even have to go to a separate group this year. I'm doing it right on the Facebook page. Join me 7 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. I'm going to launch the buy one get one sale. It's going to take probably a couple hours. There's a lot of stamp sets, tools, supplies to go through. And again, you're going to have the chance to check out any of the product through the photo albums that are going to be posted on the page after the sale ends, so you can keep on shopping. When you're finished shopping, you're just going to contact me and I will fill you in on the tally I have. So make sure you keep a tally too. But I'm going to be I'm going to be noting it, or my helper is going to be helping me out to know what all you're shopping for. I hope you join me this Thursday night. It's going to be a fun time. I had a blast last year. I'm not going to lie. I was exhausted. There was so much merchandise, so much fun going on. It's a great night. I hope that you join me and that you get a lot of exclusive retired items, and don't forget, you also get to shop from the catalog. So you're going to get old and new. So what a sweet deal. In essence, you are getting something free for shopping for new product as well. All right, my friends, I will see you Thursday night, 7 o'clock. Get ready to shop. Thanks for joining.